Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I will be unboxing this package from GOAT. If you guys don't know what GOAT is, it is a one-stop shop and selling site for sneakers. You can sell sneakers no matter what condition they're in, and you can buy sneakers. The best thing about GOAT is that you can make offers, and I made an offer on these shoes I'm about to show you real quick. I actually got them for $200 shipped. So let's open them up and see what they are. Alright guys, open up the package. And I actually opened it up the wrong way. So my bad on that. And as you guys can see, some GOAT paper right there has a little sticker. And I'm just gonna tear that off, I don't really need it. You guys can see the old school Michael Jordan on the box. And no paper, but as you guys can see, these are the 2001 Jordan 11 Legend Blues. And these are a shoe that I've been wanting for a long time. And looking at the condition, you can see that the patent leather is yellowing as well as the outsole. But you guys should also be able to tell by the outsole and the toe box that these have never been worn. So these are a 2001 pair of Columbia 11s that are dead stock. And I was actually able to get these for $200 off of GOAT. That's why if you guys want to buy that's brand new, always look for pre-2010, because those are the shoes that people tend to forget about. And I also bought those Jordan 1 black toes from StockX. Oh, this is pretty cool. It comes with a GOAT card, and I guess this pretty much says that it's authenticated by GOAT, and it has their little label of the GOAT on the top. Damn, it even comes with the old 2001 retro card that shows all of the OG Jordans that have ever come out, up to Jordan 15. So this is before all of the Jordans that are coming out now, which is actually kind of insane to think about. So 15, it was the last Jordan to come out at this time, which is actually really cool. Some of the things that you guys might not know about this shoe that makes it different from the other Legend Blue is that the whole upper is leather, and on the back is the Classic 23. These shoes are classified as vintage / DS, so I'm not sure if these are tried on or not. Honestly, it doesn't really look like it, but it does look like they were untied from the original dead stock knot, which is fine because these are 2001 Jordan 11. Some things that I would say is that the patent leather is kind of sticky, but that's probably just from old age. And the outsole is very, very yellow. Like, it is on camera, I don't know if it picks it up as well, but it looks very, very piss yellow. And so does the patent leather. But I am not gonna be unyellowing these because I want to keep the vintage look in my display. But overall, these are a very, very clean shoe, and probably one of my better pickups that I've gotten in recent time. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry, my dog started to bark. But all around, this shoe is in excellent condition. One thing I do pleasantly enjoy about this shoe is that it has the Nike Air branding on the insole. And I know with the most recent Jordan 11, the insoles are having the Jumpman on them, and it's just refreshing to see that that was on there all the way back in 2001. This shoe, excellent condition. If you guys want any new and or used shoes, or to sell your shoes, I would 100% recommend checking out GOAT, because I know for the newer shoes, you get higher prices than StockX. And when you're trying to buy older shoes and used shoes, GOAT is 100% the best way to go, because they authenticate everything. I know that it's very hard to get a shoe like this, dead stock and verified legit, because on eBay you have no idea whether or not the buyer's lying to you. So GOAT's definitely a better way to go, especially with dealing with old and used shoes. So if you guys enjoyed this video on my unboxing on these Jordan 11 Columbias from 2001, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out some of my previous videos. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.